Hey guys, welcome back. If you are following along with my challenge, congrats. I am so proud of you. I've got a 20-minute stretch routine for you today to really help your muscles and mobility reach their fullest potential. I hope you enjoy today's stretch session. All right, let's begin on our mat. Extend your legs out in front of you if you can, fully straight. And really try to lengthen your mid-spine here. You're rolling your shoulders back and down. Now you're going to just flex the feet and then point the feet. Flex and point. As you flex, you're going to feel a more intense stretch through the hamstrings and point those toes. Good. Give me one more. Now carefully walk your hands in between your ankles and just fold forward. Do your best to relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Now carefully bend that left knee in, opening that hip, and keep the right leg straight. We're going to reach for that right foot. Now roll up and stretch that left arm over. You're opening up the side of your body. Carefully come up and switch the legs. Straighten the left leg out. Fold that right knee in towards your inner thigh and carefully stretch forward towards that left foot. Now lift up to open the chest over towards the right and reach that right arm over. Come on up. Now fold both knees in. You're bringing the soles of the feet together. And you're just going to press on your left knee with your left hand. And switch sides here, twisting the chest just a little bit. Walk both feet forward a little bit and bring your nose towards your feet, rounding the spine and dropping those knees as far wide as you can. Now bring your weight onto your feet. You're going to press the knees and the hips forward, and we're going to lower one knee at a time to stretch out that quad and hip flexor. Think about tucking the pelvis and pressing those hips forward. Now switch legs here. Come back onto your hips, and you're going to lie all the way down onto your back. Grab that left leg. The right leg is lengthened down by our mat. Now you can grab by the hamstring or the calf, wherever is more comfortable for you. You're going to flex and point that left foot a couple times. You flex and point. Keep dropping that right hip down. Now just hold it here and hold that flexed foot. Try to pull that leg in a little bit closer. Now you're going to bend that left knee and straighten that leg up. You bend and you straighten. Good. 3 more right here. Really pressing behind the knee and stretching that hamstring. You've got 2. And 1 more. Now grab the outside of your left ankle with your right hand. This might be the outside of your right calf or your thigh if that's more comfortable for you. Reach your left arm towards me and pull that right leg over to get an IT band stretch. Now you're going to open up the hip and take the left leg to the side of your body. Swing that leg down and around. You're going to bend the right knee in and cross the left ankle over the right knee and grab that right shin to pull the leg in. Straighten the legs out once again here. You're going to cross that left thigh over your body and twist the spine. You're letting that left hip lift off and you're reaching the left arm the opposite way. Just releasing some tension in the low back. Gently bring yourself back to center. Straighten the left leg on the floor and that right leg up to the ceiling. Grabbing behind the ankle, the calf, or the thigh. Start to flex that right foot and point. You flex and point. A few more like this, really just feeling the stretch in the hamstring and behind the knee. Try to pull that leg a little bit closer towards your body. Now bend that knee in and straighten that leg out. Good. You go again for a few more here. You bend and you straighten. Now grab the outside of the right leg with your left hand and pull that leg to the side. You're stretching out that IT band and you're reaching that right arm away. Bring it back to center. Now open that right leg to the side. Swing that right leg down and around, bend the left knee in, and cross that right ankle over the left knee. Now straighten the left leg. Cross that right thigh all the way across your body. That right hip will lift, and you're going to reach that right arm to the opposite direction, getting a nice twist in the lower back. Hug both knees in and rock your tailbone side to side. Come onto your hands and your knees. You're going to round the spine, press the floor away, and really stretch between the shoulder blades. Now arch the back, drop the belly down, and open the chest. Lift your chin to stretch the front of your neck. Again, around that spine, curl the tailbone underneath you, and shoulders roll back and down to let the ribs fall down to the floor. One more right here, round, drawing that belly button up towards your spine. Look between your thighs, and arch the back, let the belly fall. Now step your left leg forward. You have a 90-degree bend in both legs. Now really tuck the pelvis and slowly shift your weight forward here. This is targeting that right quad and the right hip flexor. Now carefully shift your weight back to straighten that front leg out, stretching the left hamstring. And shift your weight forward again, pressing into that right hip. And shift it back again. We go forward, pressing the hips up. And stretch that left knee. Last one, bring it forward, stretching out that quad. And when you're ready, fold that left leg in for a pigeon stretch here. So that left knee is bent, the right leg is straight behind us. Come down onto your forearms to release tension in your lower back and really try to push that right hip down to the floor. If you would like a little bit more here, bend the right knee and grab that foot to stretch out the quad. Now let that ankle and hip fall back. You're going to lower onto your elbows with your legs in this bent position, targeting that right hip, and think about tucking the pelvis here as well. Carefully bring yourself up and meet me on the other side. Coming up onto your left knee, that right foot is forward. And we slowly press our hips forward as we tuck the pelvis and stretch that left quad. Carefully shift your weight back, straighten that knee, and press it forward again, moving between these two positions. Send those hips back, straighten the front leg, and press it forward. Bring it forward once again, pushing those hips down. And carefully fold that right leg in. Keep that left leg straight behind you and come down onto your forearms. If you would like more here, come up, bend the left knee, and grab that foot to stretch out the quad. Let that ankle and hip fall back, come down onto your elbows, and think about pushing that left hip towards the floor. Carefully come on up, and you're going to open the legs out. We're going to take a nice wide center stretch. However far your legs go is perfectly fine. You're going to reach that right arm over towards your left leg. Try to keep the shoulders down and that chest open towards me. Bring yourself up and slowly walk your hands forward. Carefully walk your hands up and stretch that left arm all the way over. Keep pushing that left hip down towards the mat. Shoulders pulling away from the ears. Carefully come up. Now you're going to walk your hands forward again. See if you can get a little bit further than the last time. And try to relax your head, neck, and shoulders as best you can. Take a deep breath here. We're holding for about 30 seconds. Carefully walk yourselves up and very gently shake out those legs and bring them together. Great work, you guys. I hope you feel a little bit more mobile, a little bit more flexible. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow if you're following along with my month plan. Take care.